flux because every day some people die while others are born.
What is human-made pollution?
As the population goes up, so does pollution of river, lakes, air, drinking water and soil.
Yes.
Do you agree? So, who is the winner? Team B. Okay, so have a clap for Team B.
Lalit Prabha demonstrates an interesting post-reading activity. Watch carefully to see how this activity is set up in this large class.
Enjoyed reading the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
We all want to play a game?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this game is called Backs to the Board. I will divide the whole class into two groups.
Yes,
This side, boys is one group to my left, and this side on the right, girls is one group. One person from, say, group A will come and sit here. Dulari, please come. Dulari is facing the class and her back is to the board. If I write a word here, can Dulari see it?
No, ma'am.
Alright. So, her group, that is group A, will give her clues, alright, or hints so that she can guess the word. If she guesses it correctly, her team gets 2 marks. And in the same way, I will write a word, group B will give clues, and if that person guesses it correctly, 2 marks. If it is wrong, 0 marks. Before starting, I would also like to have 2 scorers.
Blowing bright. Chip.
Someone from the boys.
Son of brother or sister. Nephew.
8. And for boys, 6. Big hand to the girls group. Did you all enjoy the game?
Yes.
What did you think of the two post-reading activities? What did we learn in this section on post-reading? A post-reading activity helps learners use the language they learned in this lesson. At this stage, learners recall what they have learnt. They also get a chance to check their understanding of the new words and ideas from the text. You can use a variety of post-reading activities like running dictation, quiz, or poster making based on the text. Answer the questions under Video Watch in your workbook. When you are ready, complete the other activities related to post-reading.
Try to find answers to these blanks. That is finished?
Yes.
Now, first sentence was, I get a... Okay, Tanu, come and write it on the board. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
The princess of the Nepali royal house appears.
Very good. Is that right?
Yes.
Very good, Subodh. Please sit down. Big hand for... So you enjoyed reading the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
We all want to play a game?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this game is called Backs to the Board. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
For this, I will divide the whole class into two groups.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
side, boys is one group to my left, and this side on the right, girls is one group. Alright? So, one person from, say, group A will come and sit here. Dulari, please come. Alright. So, Dulari is facing the class. Alright? And her back is to the board. If I write a word here, can Dulari see it?
No, ma'am.
Alright. So, her group, that is group A, will give her clues, alright, or hints so that she can guess the word. Okay? If she guesses it correctly, her team gets 2 marks. And she guesses it wrong, they get 0 marks. Then Dulari will go back and someone from group B will come and sit here. And in the same way, I will write a word, group B will give clues, and if that person guesses it correctly, 2 marks. If it is wrong, 0 marks. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So should we start the game?
Yes,
Before starting, I would also like to have 2 scorers. Okay. One from the boys group to maintain the boys score, and one from the girls group to maintain the girls score. Please come.
Drawing prize. Chip.
Yes. Please go back, Dulari. Someone from the boys.
Son of brother or sister.
Nephew.
What's the final score for girls, Manisha? 8. And for boys? 6. A big hand to the girls group. Did you all enjoy the game?
Yes,
So it helped you to learn new words, isn't it?
yes,
Right? So after playing games, it is now time to give some homework. You have to write 5 lines about any place you have visited. Also, you can use these words that you have learned today. Okay?
Think about the lesson you just watched. Make notes in your workbook. Focus on how the teacher did this reading lesson. Be specific about what was positive. Give examples. Use questions in the workbook to think about what she could have done differently in this lesson. That is the end of the clip. Hope you enjoyed watching the lesson.
My lesson, I think it went well, okay. The students were very active, enthusiastic during all through the class, and especially the game towards the end of the class. This particular game, it really energizes the children. You know, after sitting down and concentrating in reading, they needed some good, movement and energy. So I thought they would also do some group work, talk to one another, get to each other's help. The weaker students would also, get a boost. Okay, when I can say something, because they're getting the help from the group. And I think it was a good experience for the students also. If I had to change something in my lesson, I would give them a new homework. I would ask them to go home and interview some other member in their family or maybe in their neighborhood, and say what they, which place they visited, what was interesting about that place, and write a paragraph and bring it to school.
एक्टिविटी से सीखना अच्छा लगता है इसलिए क्योंकि उसमें बहुत मज़े आते हैं।